It all begins with a relationship with the customer. Our getaways allow our customers to experience some new places that maybe they haven't been able to experience before. There's so much boating in South Florida, the Bahamas, the Keys, Biscayne Bay. There's just tons of places for you to experience out here.
The getaways are great. The main thing is, especially for a first-time boat buyer, the getaway really allows them to put that weekend on the calendar and really just dedicate that to being out there with your family.
You need to come on our getaways. Our getaways are where you get to have fun on your boat. We provide everything for you. We have the technician, we have the knowledge.
Each year we do an epic trip called Lobster Bash, and we'll typically take 60 to 80 boats. We go in a group and just have a wonderful 3-4 day weekend with the customers and teach them more about boating and the whole lifestyle.
We offer classes just to get our customers more familiar with the waterways, more familiar with their particular boat, emergency situations, just a great way to gain knowledge, and knowledge on the water is everything.
We do classes here. We have a women on the water class, we do kids and boating class. I teach a couples class as well. It helps explain some of the things they might not know while they're out there.
These classes really help everyone to learn and be able to ask questions, and we really make sure that they get out there enjoying the boating lifestyle. It makes you continue to use your boat and bringing your family and friends on board.